What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a deep dive into SOLEYIN's PETG in Mangosteen Purple. Not entirely sure if I'm saying Mangosteen correctly. If I'm not, leave a comment down below and I will try to be better in the future. Anyway, one of the things I'm not a huge fan of when it comes to Soleyin is the fact that they put their sticker right on this cardboard. If anybody from Soleyin or Creality or whoever makes this filament is listening, please stop doing that with your boxes. It is pointless and it is very annoying and just absolutely insane. Anyway, we easy to open boxes or bags, which is nice. Easy tabs. Would prefer a resealable one, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, this is the Mangosteen Purple PETG. As you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here for the benchy. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings, in this case, in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PETG. We're going to get that sliced up. It should take just a little bit over an hour, and we're going to go ahead and send that to the printer and have all the other test prints done. And here they are. So as you know, like I said, we always start out with that generic benchy. Overall, I'd say okay. There were some issues with some of the lettering and some of the gets in the focus, some of the surfaces, particularly on the top surfaces of the bow. It's kind of hard to see, but it was a little bit more jagged than I probably would have liked. So we're going to see about fixing that in the profile or in the filament settings. The dimensional cube printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. No real major issues with that. The temperature tower, the best one for this one was 240 degrees Celsius, which is pretty standard when it comes to PETG. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test was lifted off the build plate a little bit quicker than I probably should have. It was still hot, so that's why there was a curve, but overall pretty good. Next up, the max volumetric speed test. So for this one, it's printed in 28 millimeters cubed per second, but it was getting a little bit rough on the top layer, so I'm going to suggest you dial it back to probably 27 millimeters cubed per second, just as a precaution. Next up, we had the overhang test. So the overhang test ended up succeeding very well. There was a little bit of loss of detail when you got to the higher degrees, but overall that's to be expected when it comes to PETG, so just be on the lookout for that if you're looking to work with this filament. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. We were able to take care of some of those surfaces, and it looks great. So at time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $18 over at Amazon. I'm not a huge fan over how dark that it looks in these photos in comparison to what it actually appears. So, you know, it is a little bit lighter than that dark, rich purple, as you can see. Anyway, that's been Soleyin's Mangosteen Purple in PETG. My overall thoughts are I'm not a huge fan of the boxes, and the color's a little bit off for the advertisement, so, you know, just proceed with caution is realistically what it is. You know, the price is good, that kind of thing. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, do all that nice YouTube stuff. It goes a long way and it helps out the channel. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time.